Thanks for watching Intrigue Ideology TV. Today we are practicing adding in scientific notation. Let's write down the first problem. The first problem is 3 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 6.4 times 10 to the second power. First, what you want to do is solve 3 times 10 to the power of 1. So, let's try it and see what we get. 3 times 10 to the power of 1 is 30. Now that we have this answer, let's solve 6.4 times 10 to the second power. The answer to 6.4 times 10 to the second power is 640. Now that we have 640 and 30, we are going to add them both together to see what we get. The answer is 670. After adding both answers together, it is time to put the final result in scientific notation form. In notation form, this would look like 6.7 times 10 to the second power. So, the answer is 6.7 times 10 to the second power. Let's try to solve another problem. This time, the equation will have the same exponents. The next problem we will try is 3.1 times 10 to the third power plus 4.3 times 10 to the third power. Since we have two of the same exponents this time, it will be a lot simpler this time. All you need to do is add 3.1 and 4.3. So, now let's write down 3.1 plus 4.3. This will give you an answer of 7.4. Then we will convert the answer to scientific notation. Once we convert this into scientific notation, we get the answer 7.4 times 10 to the third power. Pretty easy, right? Thanks for watching Intrigue Ideology TV. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.